Hey friends, it's Catherine. We are going to be doing another painting today. I have an idea for this. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to try using a straw, hopefully. We'll see. It has never worked for me before, but I will master this. So I've got an idea. Oh, and I started off with paint on my hands this time. Just that way we wouldn't have to take that journey to get there. But let's just start off with just like a bunch of this blue, like along here-ish, maybe down this way a little bit more, just really starting off laying it on thick. I'm going to sacrifice a lot of paint to this. We'll see how it goes. Maybe some of this gray up the top over here. I'm trying to create this like side to side look for this. We'll see. We will see how it works. I'm going to add a little bit of water to my black because I forgot to thin that down. And then put some black right down here at the bottom. That should probably be good. Okay, something like that. So far, so good. Okay, just kind of seal everything together a little bit. Use like a brush to like just bring this outward and to this side. Get it all wet so that it'll flow everywhere. Hopefully. We will see how it goes. Bring it all out to the edges. Okay, roll it up to the corner, over the top. All right. Let me just shove something under that edge, try and level it out a little bit. It's probably still not level. I really should level this table, but I haven't, so we'll work with it. It will be as it will be. All right, shove everything off to the edges, bring it down over the edge over here. Just try and make sure everything is good and even and off the edges. Well, sort of. I'm spending too much time on this. Okay, let it be. All right. Grab a straw and maybe a lighter touch. See, that's just not doing what I want. Maybe some silicone. That's probably too much. We'll see how it goes. Oh, no, that's definitely doing what I want. Awesome. Ooh, that's kind of splattering everywhere. But I'm into it. Okay, okay, okay. Now, think about it for a second. What do we want next? Okay, we want some red right down in this corner. A glob of red. Let that spread out a little bit. And maybe just sprinkle a little bit more of that silicone on top of there. And then a glob of orange. Let it spread out a little bit. Maybe just a little bit more of that. I don't know. We're experimenting. We're seeing how it goes. And then some yellow. We'll work it out. Ooh, that works. That kind of figures it out. See, we're figuring it out. Okay, and then we want to kind of maybe let that level out a little bit. It's pretty beat up at the moment. But that is definitely what I was going for. Awesome. Okay, and while that's settling out, I'm going to grab some white and take and drizzle it like this. Okay. Okay. And then more air. There we go. Like that. And then it's a fire at night with like smoke. The white might be a little too harsh. If you want to do something like this, you might try using a bit of just like a really light amount of gray in that, just to gray it up a little bit. But yeah, definitely. Yeah. This is really awesome. And I love it. And it worked. And I've gotten closer to mastering this cells with like air thing. Obviously, it needs to be thinner. I think still. I think it still needs to be thinner. But that is awesome. I'm very pleased with how that turned out. Well, will have had turned out. We'll see. I've got to stop playing with it. Now I'm just playing with it. I'm not even doing art anymore. I'm just playing with it. So I need to stop. Maybe just a little more. Okay. Done though. I'm really done. For reals now. I hope you guys all liked it. If you did, definitely let me know. I would love to hear from you. Tell me what you think. And remember to subscribe, and I will see you all another day. Bye.